Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp accounts on your one Samsung Galaxy A20s. So when you have a WhatsApp and you need the second app for the work, the second number with separate contacts, the first method is the simplest one. Just open the Google Play Store and look for the WhatsApp business. Now just download it and install, and now as you can see we have two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. That's it. That was our first method. Now the second one, you have to open the Google Play Store and look for the dual app. I prefer to use the parallel space, so download that, install and open. Agree the terms and click continue. Add the location permission and call and files. Okay, now we have to wait a second and click start. Now just select WhatsApp and click add to parallel space. Click accept, and that's it. Now you have the second WhatsApp account in this app. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.